Yo, woken up. Woken up. Woken up. What? What's up, guys? Welcome back. The day has finally come. All the parts we've been waiting for is finally here. We got everything we need, and yo, we can get the motor fully rebuilt, put back together. I just got off of work and I'm off tomorrow, so we got about a day and a half to get as much as we can done. Hopefully, we can get the lude back on the road. Yeah, sound good? Huh? But yeah, you might have noticed the new artwork. This is a beach towel from Troy Wheels. Sorry, it's a tongue twister to me. I'll post a link so you guys can check out his merch. I figured it was pretty plain, so I just wanted something up on the wall, and maybe it'll help with the echoing and the light reflecting on the wall. Who knows? And yo, your boy just got this Prelude Nation calendar. Woo! It starts on March, right? So if you get it now, you'll be good. But well, that's a nice Prelude too. But your boy, that's not me. But your boy made it on the calendar. Woo! December. Yeah. So even if you buy this a month or two from now, you'll still have plenty of time to get more car for the month. If you love Preludes, man, you gotta have this. Yeah. And over here, I got a box full of parts that just came in, and this is pretty much everything we need. Let's check out what I got. This is the box we've been waiting for the whole time. I was able to get everything from one place, so I'm super thankful for ExtremePrelude.com. If you guys need OEM parts or even aftermarket parts, be sure to check them out. Bill is the owner of ExtremePrelude.com, and he's actually a real good friend of mine. I've known him for a long time. Like before I even had the Prelude, he was kicking it with my brothers that had Preludes, and you know, they were doing Prelude stuff and blah blah blah. All right. Woo. Damn, this is a lot of stuff. All right. ExtremePrelude.com. Woohoo! Alright, first we got, I guess this is like instructions for the clutch kit. Woo! So this right here, woo, on the box, can you guess what this is without looking up the part number? Woo. I wonder how long has this box been unopened for? Look at that. Brand new oil pump, baby. It even comes with the seal right here. It also comes with this seal. And that's that one seal in the last video that I said I might not need because it comes installed already. It does look different though, unless that's not the right seal. But yep, brand new oil pump. Woohoo! All right, what else we got in here? Clutch cover, what is this? What? Zeddy? Oh yeah. Looks like a new brake rotor though. Eee. We got the little tool for the, I guess flywheel. Got a flywheel as well. Woo! Here we go. Clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder. Both of these are from Zeddy. Okay. Oh, we got a clutch disc. Woo! Brand new. Okay. This is actually the same exact one that was in the lude. I thought the clutch felt amazing, so I didn't want to change it up. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. Okay. I think this is a hose. Okay, this is a, it's part of the clutch line, so yeah, I'm not sure where it goes, but I guess we'll figure it out. And last and not least, clutch bearing. Bruh, I don't even think I know how to install this stuff. I guess this goes on the transmission housing, so yeah, another thing that's gonna slow down the process. Okay. But yeah, a bunch of goodies. Most of this is transmission stuff. The main thing we're waiting for was the brand new oil pump. I went ahead and just wanted to do a whole new clutch kit, and I picked up a new clutch master cylinder and slave because if you look at mine, yo, mine looks terrible. So yeah, had to get something else. Bye guys, I know we've been wasting a lot of time. Let's go and get this motor started on. Yeah! smoothly, and it looks really good. Woo! So the block is finally done, but not without a lot of complications. But yo, this thing is so dirty, but with a brand new oil pump, man, that looks super nice. Woo! I really want to get a pressure washer and just clean this all up. But anyways, like I said, there's a few issues I ran into while putting the whole block back together. I didn't get to record it because it was really stressful, and I thought I was gonna knock it out real quick, but nope. So here's what had happened. When I removed the old oil pump, there wasn't an O-ring right there. And when I got the new oil pump, it came with a couple gaskets. It came with this one and this one. But it was also missing this O-ring. So I ended up installing the oil pump, using Honda Bond and everything, you know, putting everything together, right? And the next day, I woke up and I really thought about it, like, yo, let me look in the book and see if there's supposed to be an O-ring there. And yo, when I looked in the book, there it is, that O-ring that apparently is supposed to be there. So I ended up having to pull this back out. I had to take custom measurements, and I had to get this like universal O-ring type deal from Home Depot. I mean, this is meant for like faucets and whatnot, but this fit perfectly. So I got everything ready, right? I reinstalled the oil pump, I Honda Bond everything, I put the pulley back on, and next thing you know, as I'm tightening this bolt right here, it would not tighten at all. It would just keep going and going and going. And I was like, no way, dude, there's a strip bolt, man, what the heck? Now, I would usually leave it alone, but since this is like for a pulley, I was like, man, I think I should really fix that hole, right? But the thing is, this goes straight through the oil pump, so I couldn't just tap the hole. I had to pull the whole oil pump off again, just so I could fix this hole. And all in less than 12 hours, I removed and reinstalled the oil pump 3 times. It was a big headache, man. But everything's good now. I even got the oil pan installed. That was a lot of work, because you gotta follow a certain sequence and do like a 3-step tightening sequence, and that took a lot of time. So I'm freaking happy that the block is pretty much done. There's nothing else we need to do to the block, right? Everything looks clean. There's a lot less clutter. I got a lot more room in the garage. Woo! But yo, we got another issue. Now, I wasn't planning on messing with the head, but check this out. I found these 3 springs within the block, and these are freaking, what's it called? Valve stem seals. So these go on to the bottom of the valve stems, and those are in the head. There's 2 different kinds, 8 for the intake and 8 for the exhaust valves. I figured, why replace 3? Might as well replace all 16. Now, I've taken apart the head before, and it's no walk in the park. I really don't want to do this, but because my head has already been rebuilt like almost 2 years ago, I'm pretty sure that it's in good condition, and the only thing I need to do is just replace those valve stem seals. But in order to do that, I pretty much got to tear down the entire head. So let's go and knock this out, man. Wish me luck.
I'm stuck right here. I can't break the valve keepers off the valves. So as the name implies, valve keepers, it pretty much holds everything together. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's these little silver things that border the valve itself. The very center piece is the valve. Right outside is the valve keeper. I tried spraying it with PB Blaster and letting it sit. I really appreciate all the feedback you guys have been leaving me about the engine rebuild. This is my first time, and I'm actually feeling a lot more confident now that I'm putting it back together, because yo, now that the block is put back together, it pretty much looks complete. Like, all we gotta do is finish up on the head, put that on, and then I'll have a lot of room in my garage to, you know, do whatever. Hopefully the lude will run and we can put my wheels back on. Woohoo! But alright guys, stay tuned for the next video. If you got any tips for what I should do in the head or how I should break those valve keepers, let me know. Alright guys, deuces.